Good morning. It is in the morning. I am awake since 5, I think. Today is Friday. And believe it or not, I will begin my day. Well, actually, I put garbage aside. I changed sheets. I did a lot of things. I was going to paint a little, but I found a movie to watch. I will make one of my favorite sandwich and a coffee as a breakfast, and I will watch the movie and relax for now. Time to do my lemon. I got a big bag of lemon from Costco. I have my new thing. I was lucky because I have more of the big ones. I need to buy more of every size to keep doing more cutting. Yes, cutting has not stopped since summer. Let's do the lemon. First I will get the lemons that I need. I don't know how many I will need for this one. Maybe I should do 2. I have so many. Can be good. This is kind of not good. I will wash them good because I need with the skin. I think for now. Yeah, maybe I will have to do that. Let me wash this. Okay, I have my lemons. I have my cut, and I have sugar here. So we will cut slices with food, and we will put the sugar slowly. That's the way to do it. Let's get a good knife. Okay, that's not a good one. Ooh, that looks. Oh yeah. I got one, and as you can see, is already the liquid going there. And I will keep it outside of the refrigerator for a little more time, because if I put right now, it will solidify too much. I have another can here, a smaller one. I want to try to put this one on the pantry. It will be kind of like a test to see if the lemon stay good, yeah, because if in winter I can keep them just in the pantry and now in the refrigerator, I will have more free space and I will be able to use all my lemons. So let's do it. I was forgetting to open these. Let's see what we have this day. Today's 10, right? Yes, 10. Number 10. I need 2 more left. I feel like opening all of them right now. God, I'm so tired right now. Number 10. And we got, look at this, it's a mini cutter. This is so cute. It doesn't have the numbers, but you know what? Perfect. Let me try it. Let's try with a little paper here. So cute. So cute. Perfect. I like this. I will have on hand in my little basket where I have everything that is small. Perfect. This is a really cute one. Oh, my battery's dying.